here, Wall Street Willie. When I went to the doctors, they asked me for my health insurance, but what is health insurance anyway? Health insurance is insurance that covers health-related expenses, like a doctor's visit, hospitalization, medicines, and many more. But to get this facility, you have to pay a certain amount to the health insurance company on an ongoing basis, which is called a premium. Is the premium the same for everyone? No, it is different for everyone, and can depend on many factors like the kind of insurance you buy, your age, your health condition, your employer, and many more. Well, what are the different kinds of health insurance? Health insurance can be broadly classified into two types. One has a deductible, and the other with a copay. The deductible one is where you need to pay the expenses up to a certain amount every year, for example, $2,000, before the insurance company starts paying for your medical bills. So, for example, if you have $2,000 of hospitalization, then you would have to pay for all of that $2,000. But if you have anything after that, then the insurance company would pay for it because you have already paid your deductible. And copay is where you have to pay a certain amount every time you visit a doctor or a hospital. For example, if the copay was $50 and the doctor visit cost $200, you would pay $50, which is the amount of the copay, and the insurance company would pay $150. Would the insurance company pay all of the medical bills, even if it's a lot of money? There might be a maximum on the amount the insurance company would pay in a year. Plus, there might also be an upper limit on each category of expense. For example, a health insurance policy might say that the hospital room that you have could not be more than $200 per night. If it's more than $200 a night, the insurance company would pay only $200 and you would pay the remaining amount. Is your premium returned by the insurance company if you don't fall sick or don't visit a doctor? No, you don't get back the insurance premium if you don't use the insurance. Well, does the health insurance premium go up if you fall sick a lot? No, the premium will not change based on how often you use the insurance. Well, who should buy health insurance? Everyone should have health insurance to protect themselves from the financial impact of healthcare-related expenses. Well, where can I buy health insurance? Most companies offer health insurance to their employees at a specially negotiated rate as a part of the benefits package. But if your company does not offer health insurance or you are self-employed, you could buy health insurance yourself. But we'll cover that separately in another video. Well, how long is health insurance valid for? Health insurance is usually bought for 1 year. Well, when can I buy health insurance? Health insurance is usually bought during a time called the open enrollment period, which is usually between October and December. During this time, the insurance can be bought for the following year. For example, in October to December 2018, you would buy health insurance to cover the entire year of 2019. Are there any expenses that most health insurance companies do not cover? Yes, many health insurance policies do not cover the procedures that are not medically required. These are elective procedures, like cosmetic surgery. Some pre-existing illnesses are also not covered. Health insurance also doesn't cover the treatment of your teeth or eyes because you have to buy a separate dental and vision insurance for that. But that's a topic for another time. Thank you very much for telling me about health insurance, Wall Street Willie. You're welcome, Super Hooper. Remember, finance is your friend! Hey, people! If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy piece of finance.